As we know, there are a lot of different types of energies. ठीक है, एक हमने work done पढ़ लिया. We have also talked about in the previous chapter. We discussed the basics and the definitions of the different types of energy, including gravitational potential energy, kinetic energy, thermal energy. Then we have electrical energy, nuclear energy. ये सारी क्या हैं? These are all different types of energy. Work done क्या है? Input energy, the energy that we input, and then the output can be a gravitational potential energy or a kinetic energy when an object is moving or when an object is in an increasing height. That is your gravitational potential energy. So the gravitational potential energy GPE of an object, also known as its gravitational store, is defined as the energy an object has due to its height in a gravitational field. This means if an object is lifted up, it will gain GPE, and if it falls, it will lose GPE. Now, what do we know? Gravitational potential energy care. Right now, you're sitting on a chair. You have a potential. You have a potential to move. You have the potential to convert your gravitational potential energy into other forms. Now, the energy an object has due to its height. ठीक है ना? Now, due to its height in a gravitational field means that if an object is lifted up, for example, if the height is increased, GPE would also increase. And if it falls meaning that if the height decreases, GPE would also decrease. So क्या है gravitational potential energy? The energy store or the energy of an object which it has due to its height. For example, a ball in the air and a ball on the ground. Which one of them would have a high gravitational potential energy? Obviously, the one which is in the air, which has more height. So the gravitational potential energy of an object can be calculated using the equation of GPE is equal to mgh, where GPE stands for the gravitational potential energy in joules, M stands for the mass in kilograms, G stands for the gravitational field strength in newtons per kilogram, and H stands for the height in meters. So what do we know till now? That gravitational potential energy is only there due to a height. If height increases, GPE increases. If height decreases, GPE would decrease. And the formula for GPE is mgh. So here you can see this is a person A, and the person A has lifted a mass due to the gravitational force and at a height. तो ये क्या है? All these factors, mass, gravitational energy, and the height it has lifted, all make up your gravitational potential. So the mass now has GPE as it is lifted above the ground. The height has increased. The height of the mass has increased. Hence, I can say that the gravitational potential energy of the object has also increased, and hence the formula says GPE is equal to mgh.